Why cloud services? Traditional infrastructure generally would require a lot of kind of forward planning, especially if you're looking to buy a server or hardware to kind of put in a closet. You try to have this Nostradamus-like effect of where's my business going to be in 5 years? And a lot of organizations will really think, yeah, we can totally do that. But I think coming on the other side of a pandemic, we can only account for so much. If 3 years ago you would have spoken to me about building a server and trying to plan the next 5 years of your organization, I probably would have been able to comfortably do that. Now I kind of have a fresh review and renewal on this perspective, because we as a country and as a business need to be agile. We need to be able to really grow and shrink and move with market requirements. If you were any of the organizations that had to suddenly go remote in 2020, depending on where you were in your journey technological wise, that may not have been an option. And it's had ripples throughout the industry worldwide, and to this day really shapes what we're doing. So that's why you should consider cloud services, at least from a business standpoint. But some other advantages are things like economies of scale. Traditionally, a lot of these services and platforms, whether it's security features, collaboration, were generally gated behind Fortune 500 companies or large upfront investments, right? If I needed to have a state-of-the-art security platform with infinite scalability, you might have been looking at $300,000-$400,000 upfront investment. If you're a 25, 30, 35 user environment, like it's never going to happen. Microsoft has the ability to provide economies of scale. So even a 1 or 2 user shop can be really hitting above their weight class as far as the technologies they are leveraging in their industry. Agility, I kind of touched on that. Because cloud is really a consumption-based model, you have the ability to scale out and burst and scale back in lean times as needed. It also allows you really to expand your workforce. Traditionally, you're probably hiring people in, Southern Ontario, maybe within 50, 75 kilometers if they really want to trek it to come into the office. But, I think the perfect indicator right now is my head office is in Denver, Colorado, and I'm based out of Southern Ontario. I am 100% completely remote, and it's because my organization has leveraged cloud services. We're a cloud forward organization. They're able to acquire talent outside of their geographical restriction, which means your hiring pool is much larger and much more experienced, which can help you edge out your competition. And that's the final item we're going to talk about here. Cloud's not going away, right? There may be some specific reasons why you need to keep one foot on premise, but a lot of the cutting edge industry, and it doesn't matter what vertical you're in right now, are adopting or have adopted cloud technologies. So getting in front of that and understanding that this is what your next move technological wise should be. And instead of treating it as a cost inhibitor, treat it as a multiplier for your businesses. So we'll